Hello everyone, welcome back. Right, today we're doing cinnamon swirls. It's another one of the Jus-Rol ranges. So when you saw me do the pan au chocolat, it's pretty much like that. So get it all ready to go. Look, even the cinnamon is in there, and you just divide that up, cut it up, and then you've got your little thing of icing. You just add water to that, mix it up, and then drizzle it over the top. So what I'll do, I'll divide these up and get them in the air fryer. As I say, it's very, very quick, very, very simple, very easy to do. Okay, so basically it's just a case of what I'll probably do is go in half, then that way, because I'd like to get 6 out of these. Knock it out first, and then you can cut them. Right, so I'll get these cut up and lay them in the air fryer. Okay, right, so they're all in the air fryer now. Try and space them out with a bit of room around them, because they will sort of spread out when they start to cook. So let's get these in the air fryer. What I'll do is air fry and then keep them at 200, so they've got a nice bit of heat. And then what we do is we start them off at 5 minutes, that's all they're going to probably need, and then we'll just turn them over for a couple of minutes, just do the underside. And while we do that, we'll mix up our little bit of icing. As I say, just a little bit of water, just to make it a bit runny, and then once they're placed evenly on the plate, just pour it over the top. Okay, so there's your icing. So it's just a case of just adding water to that till you get a nice consistency where you can just pour it over the rolls. So apologies, I'm a bit in the shadows here at the minute because I'm filming this quite early, and the light in the kitchen is, oh, there you go, it's all gone over the side. Never mind, just me showing you and holding the camera. So yeah, so just a nice runny consistency so you can pour it all over the cinnamon rolls. Okay, so they're getting on really well at the minute. Let's have a look what we've got here. So I'll keep this with you now then, as it counts down. And the smell is unbelievable, really nice. So as I say, what we do is now we just flip these over quickly for maybe 2-3 minutes. I'll check it after a couple of minutes because it doesn't take long. Let's have a look. Oh yeah, look at those. See what I mean about them puffing up? So you really do need to say spread them out when you put them in. But they are delicious. So let's get these flipped over. Oh, see what I mean about the underside. You've got to be so careful. Right, tell you what, I'm going to get these flipped over. I'll just use the edge of a knife and I'll come straight back to you. So there you go, all flipped over. So yeah, just use the edge of a knife or something. Don't try and sort of do it one-handed like I just did, because what will happen is all the nice cinnamon stuff will come pouring out. So chuck this in again. Okay, let's get these on then. So air fry 200. Okay, and then let's take this down. Now I don't know if I'm sure I have mentioned this before, but this has got a default low setting of 5 minutes. It doesn't go any lower than that. So what I do is put it on for 5, check it when it gets to 3, so it's had 2 minutes, and just see what they look like. I don't think it's going to need any more than that. And yeah, I'm going to say that's it, because what you'll end up doing if you're not careful, they go from sort of being nearly there to just done, and then you'll end up scorching the edges. So yeah, I think I'm going to get these onto a plate and then drizzle them with the icing. Okay, let's get the icing and we just drizzle it over the top like that. And that is pretty much it. So there you go. That's cinnamon rolls in the air fryer with icing. Enjoy.